Some of you may be subscribed to my channel, TC Tech, where I basically roll tape and record and show you how I fix things. It could be engines, it could be around the house, it could be appliances, and I only roll tape and record and share on the internet when something breaks down or I need to fix things. So my channel has kind of evolved over time, and it's really all about teaching my audience how to fix things and save themselves money. So on my channel, when I say save you money, I'm talking about cars, appliances, small engines, home improvements, anything I stumble across that needs to be repaired that I think can help somebody. I'll film it, I'll edit it into a video and share it on my YouTube channel, TC Tech. Now, I've been doing this for about 4 years, and in full transparency, about 2 years ago, I really started to see an uptick in subscribers and how many views I was getting, and so I started having more fun with it, and I started to look into what is this whole YouTuber thing all about. In my opinion, it's not too easy to learn what a YouTuber is, but a year ago, I hit 1,000 subscribers, and all of a sudden, YouTube's asking me, can we pay you? Now, at first, I didn't understand what that meant, but essentially, when your video plays, there will be an advertising banner along the bottom, and when people watch your video and that banner passes by, you essentially are getting paid for people watching your video and seeing those advertisements. What's important to understand is it actually has nothing to do with how many subscribers you have. It has more to do with how many people are watching your channel, whether they're a subscriber or not. My daughter's laughing at me. How do I say this? Now, although I'm making these videos because I actually enjoy it, YouTube has reached out to me and said, we'll actually pay you for these videos. Now, the way it works is, even though people are watching your video, there are advertisements streaming along the bottom called banner ads. And the more people see those banner ads, the more money YouTube and you can make. And what's important to understand is it doesn't matter if that viewer is a subscriber or not. As long as people are watching content you made, you can potentially make money. So when I hit 1,000 subscribers, YouTube asked me if I wanted to be paid. So it didn't change my philosophy at all. I decided to still produce videos to show people how to fix things, but why not take a few dollars from YouTube? And that's really all it ended up being, is a couple of dollars a day. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, YouTube might even put an advertisement in your video. So why am I telling you this? The whole reason why I started posting videos on YouTube was to share what I know and actually kind of have fun fixing things, recording it, and then posting it to the internet. But once I started getting paid for it, I was like, well, everybody has a unique skill, and everybody should be paid for any skill that they have or that they share with the world. I'm telling you this because I don't care so much about competition, but I think it's awesome that you can share your skill with the world, and the world or YouTube and advertisers will actually pay you for your skill. It's a fun way to make money. You can do it anywhere you want. I think everybody, if they think hard, has a unique skill, and why not get paid for something you're good at that you can share with the world? So my hope is that this video will inspire you to take your talent, share it with the world, and you'll make a little bit of money along the way, or what I call mailbox money. But about 4 years ago, 2 particular videos, one on how to make a ceramic coating for a car, and I'll put a link above if you want to see it, and a second video on how to make the product Rain-X that makes water bead off your windshield. Those 2 videos earned a lot of subscribers and a lot of views, and kind of got me thinking, wow, like people actually are interested in some of the projects I work on. So a couple of years ago, a small surge in subscribers and views, but last year I ended up hitting 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you have a channel, or maybe you haven't gotten to 1,000 subscribers yet, but when you hit 1,000 subscribers, YouTube will actually reach out to you and say, hey, we like what you're doing, we're willing to pay you for your content. And at that point, I started making a couple of dollars a day for people watching the videos that I had posted over the last couple of years. Now at this point, I'm having fun with it, so I just keep it up. Anytime I fix something, I'll record it. I might be working on the car, a four-wheeler, fixing a home appliance, fixing a dryer, or doing something out in the yard. Now along the way, somebody had mentioned to me, hey, if you recommend some of the products that you've purchased on Amazon, and then Amazon actually sells those products after people watch your video and click on links or whatever, you might earn 2 to 3% commission from Amazon. So I figured, what the heck, I'll review some of the things that I plan on buying and using anyways, and if other people like them and buy them, Amazon will pay me for them. So I joined the Amazon Associates program, where if you post a link to a tool or something that you've purchased on Amazon and somebody buys it after clicking your link, you can get a 2 to 3% commission. So at this point, I'm making about $5 to $6 a day from YouTube, and suddenly I'm starting to earn, it's small, it's like 50, 60, 70 cents a day from Amazon. Now my channel has continued to grow, and this year I hit 2,000 subscribers. Actually, I hit 2,000 subscribers last week. Once that happened, something really interesting happened. Amazon reached out and said, hey, we consider you an influencer. Will you join our influencer program, where product creators or product vendors can reach out to you, and if you make videos for their products, you can earn a higher commission. The commissions that I've found are somewhere between 10 and 20%. So this is pretty interesting, and I do a lot of shopping on Amazon, so I figure, why not? If I'm going to buy things on Amazon anyways, I'll take a look at what some of these creator campaigns are and see if I can help them out. So what you see in front of me is essentially a small number of the products I've received in less than 7 days after joining the Amazon Influencer program. What's not on the table is an air conditioner, an ice maker, a car cover that I haven't gotten yet, as well as a cargo net for the back of a Jeep Cherokee. I'm going to be taking a look at all these products to see how well they work, and I'll be posting short videos if it's a decent product. Now, if I review somebody's product and I like it, and somebody decides to buy it, now my commission will be, instead of 3%, it'll be from 10 to 20%. Now, as I said before, there wasn't anybody that really explained all of this to me. I was doing something I enjoyed, and then YouTube started paying me, and then Amazon reached out, and I wouldn't be surprised if more people reach out just because they see that I've got somewhat of an audience. Now, I could keep all of this a secret and try and be that one do-it-yourself guy on the internet that is making money but not sharing how he does it, but that's not what this was all about anyways. I'm making videos on things I fix, and I enjoy doing it, and I think other people have things they're gonna fix or hobbies that they can share with the world. And if I can share with them my journey and how I turned fixing things and showing people how to do it into money, I hope someone else sees this and they can see a potential path for how they might take their hobby or their skill set and turn it into what I'll call some mailbox money. So with that, this is the PR that I received in the last 7 days. Now, I could keep this all a secret, but that's not why I post videos anyways. I love sharing how I fix things and allowing people to save money, and then seeing feedback or questions, or some people even respond to my videos and give me a better idea than, how I approached fixing something. And that to me was the philosophy. The money is great, but it's not why I got into this in the first place. So that's why I decided to make this video. So if any of you are do-it-yourselfers, or if you have a hobby that you've been sharing with people on the internet and you want to ask me a question on how I got to the level I'm at now, or a question on Amazon, please feel free to leave it in the comments. I'm not trying to keep any of how I got to where I am a secret. I think it's super fun, and I think lots of people, I think everybody has a skill that they can share. So I hope this has been helpful. We live in a crazy world, and I hope you take full advantage of your skills and your hobbies and create a little mailbox money along the way. Post a question below, and if I can answer it, I certainly will, and good luck, everybody. And I'd love to hear from more people that take their skill or their hobby and turn it into some fun side income. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information, and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.